And what we're gonna do is make this entire place disappear into the wastelands. Watch to the end to see what happens. Let's start with some level 1 tools. A hammer. Pretty easy, but can't destroy this house. So we gotta... Oh no, the door stuck. It would be a shame if I... Okay, where's the flamethrower? Oh, here we go. Let's let it do its job. Wait, I'm gonna get the big boy. Where is he? Gotta hurry before the fire catches up to me. Here you go. Now let's hop out of here. Wow. Now I just got my drone buddy, and he's gonna take down this. Wow. This place is already looking good. Oh. Oh no, we got portal issues. I don't know how to get rid of them. I don't know how to get rid of them, so I just go. I'll use them later on. Oh, I know what we could do with this. We could lower it down and ram into this building. Maybe not do a lot of damage, but it will do a lot. So that wasn't really a lot like what I said. So let's use this. I love the music. Yeah, this is definitely gonna get destroyed. Yep, this is what I call smashing. All the stuff in here as well. Gotta get rid of it. Oh, I see things over here. Oh, there's a bird. There's a monster truck. There it goes. Just this one. Now that was pretty good. Let's do some archery. Let's try this thingy. Try this. Ooh, a sword. That's something. Oh no! Ah, he's coming for me. Eat him! There you go. Ah, I just gotta vacuum everything up. Don't want any rubbish around. Now, who likes tornadoes? Because we've got some tornadoes here. It's nearly Christmas. So, wait, ooh. Oh, it's coming closer. Wait, I can make squares out of this. We gotta get a piano gun. Oh, and this is my second video. I thought maybe I should do some teardown. You guys tell me if you want like teardown or not. Wait. What's that? Playing gun. What does that do? Oh, that does nothing. I don't like cutting the grass. Oh, piano gun. Why is it so glitchy? Let's play some pianos. I think I need a vacuum cleaner. Ah, where's the vacuum cleaner? Pick this gun. Okay, go get a vacuum cleaner. I don't want to get in trouble by that. I don't want to get in trouble by the piano guys from renting piano. This, wait, oh, I could use this. Wait, where is it? This. Oh yeah. This town is gone before you know it. Oh yeah. This is definitely gonna destroy everything before you know it. Oh yeah. I should destroy him. There we go. Can this thing... I don't think this thing's strong. Okay, it's kind of good. Let's try this gun. I mean, sword. Wow. Try to hit that. Just missed. I hit it. We're getting an alien to do it. You're calling it an airstrike. Bloody alien. Destroy down this tower. There's some fire. We gotta get some water. Acid. I think I like this one the most. Use it on the alien. Wow, that alien's strong. Huh? Wait, huh? Why? Why is there that? Destroyed it. Let's get this guy. Get the statue. Get this. What else? This. This. Get the tower. Let's get the top of this. And the top of this. And just down here. Where else? Whoa. Oh, let's shoot this. See if it can break. Maybe it's unbreakable. Let's try a different one. Oh, this is way better. I think we've had enough of that. Oh, forgot I was there. I forgot about him. Let's be some Spider-Man. Spider-Man? That's Spider-Man. 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 That noise. Dad. Oh, and by the way, my dad's next to me. Just to make sure everything's going great. But ah, so glitchy. I don't know how we're gonna get rid of this. This he will do it. Here he is. Our boy's here. Yeah, this will be easy. Wow, this will be really easy. Whoa! I missed. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Wow. Don't get me, get that. Yes. Good boy. Do that more. We have officially became the monster. Wow. Ah! I died. I died. Oh yeah. Nice. Now, let's move on to the next one. Looks silly. Ah. this one. Ah. Ah. Oh no. Ah.
Oh, like run.
Gotta use this one. Wait, where's the piano gun? That will work. Oh, wait, lava gun would. I'm gonna get my backup. I need some backup escapes. Ah, he's coming. I'll use this. He is. Ah! Banish you, beast.